Hi everyone, this is Piyush Patel from Technical Product Marketing here at ServiceNow. In this video, I'll be demonstrating how with the Oracle Data Collection app from the ServiceNow store, software asset managers can save time, resources, and cost by using a solution verified by Oracle. They can view and take action on Oracle products out of compliance. Another outcome is being able to manage Oracle license compliance and other IT assets from a single workspace, which allows admins and analysts to save time by cutting down on constant switching between different solutions. Oracle has verified ServiceNow as a third-party tool vendor. What this verification really means is that the customers can now leverage software asset management and discovery to capture and report on installation and usage data related to Oracle databases, database options, and Fusion middleware products. The discovered data then can be accepted as verified source during contractual events. We'll see how this works on a ServiceNow platform while logged in as a software asset manager, Casey Kuhn. Casey Kuhn, our software asset manager, wants to easily manage and have visibility into her Oracle licenses and products. So she starts with the out-of-the-box Oracle Data Collection dashboard. Through Oracle Data Collection Store app, ServiceNow is extending the discovery pattern to interrogate for Oracle evidence to look for things like config file, versions, additions, options, which management packs are being used, and middleware deployments. And this is all done using the same application credentials already being used for the traditional ServiceNow discovery. Once the data and required attributes are collected, ServiceNow populates the Oracle evidence into Oracle-specific tables. The dashboard then provides relevant statistics such as all the Oracle Discover instances with corresponding versions, number of different Oracle database versions being discovered in Casey's organization. For the middleware, name and location of the configuration files, and also Fusion middleware discovery, providing insight into web logic that might be running in her environment. Next, Casey can go to download GLAS data collection and download the reports. ServiceNow Discovery captured all the Oracle information in her environment. The application then compiled the Oracle information into these easily downloadable reports. With a single click, she can download all the data content from Oracle tables. Having all the data ahead of time that she can review, Casey is confident about her Oracle license position going into any contractual events, whether that's true-up, renewal, or an audit. Without this capability, Casey would have to get an approval for running a script in her environment, and it may not be feasible to distribute the script across their entire network. We just demonstrated how Oracle Data Collection and reporting in ServiceNow provides a single centralized view for managing Oracle license position, and how this Oracle verified solution can significantly reduce time, risk, and effort needed during contractual events. To learn more about the Oracle Data Collection and licensing application, check out the ServiceNow App Store. And for additional information on software asset management, be sure to visit servicenow.com/SAM.